This is Bertalan Meskó, and you're watching the channel of the Medical Futurist. There is hype and fear around artificial intelligence in healthcare. Many fear that AI will take over our jobs. For example, looking at the rapid advancement of medical imaging, it would seem like radiologists will be obsolete in the future as AI will take care of their tasks. But it's fear-mongering and it's irresponsible, especially if investors do that. Let me tell you 5 reasons why AI won't replace physicians, ever. 1. We cannot replace empathy.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back. Don't destroy humans.
I guess you don't want to hear a life-changing diagnosis from that thing neither. Although there are experiments of teaching chatbots and robots empathy, empathy is reflective and I need to trust you to feel it. And even though there is no doubt that AI will eventually learn to mimic it, we will always need doctors holding our hands and we will need their guidance through therapy. 2. Practicing medicine is not linear.
Tularemia doesn't cause movement disorders.
It would if she developed meningitis.
There was no ulcerations on the skin. With the bleeding, it looks more like leptospirosis.
Without conjunctivitis and elevated creatinine?
Can you imagine algorithms having that conversation? Data, measurements, and quantitative analytics are a crucial part of doctors' work, but setting up a diagnosis and treating a patient are not linear processes. It requires creative problem solving. Life is diverse, and patients don't act like pre-selected datasets do in AI studies. 3. Complex digital technologies require competent professionals.
The EEG, the BP monitor, and the AVV.
Yes, sir.
And get the machine that goes bing! And get the most expensive machines in case the administrator comes.
Sophisticated digital health solutions like surgical robots or smart algorithms will need the competence of qualified doctors to be successful. 4. There are tasks that algorithms and robots cannot complete.
Daddy's got your arms. Whoa, we don't like this. What's that? A 1, a 2, a ready. Good, yeah, all right.
While IBM Watson can sift through millions of pages of documents in seconds, it will never be able to do the Heimlich maneuver or give a shot by making a kid smile. There will always be tasks where humans will be faster, more reliable, or cheaper than technology. 5. It's not tech versus humans. The goal is not to replace physicians, it's merely to give them new tools and for humans and technology to collaborate. We are playing on the same team here. A study for identifying metastatic breast cancer through deep learning showed something similar. When the deep learning system's predictions were combined with the pathologist's diagnosis, the overall diagnostic results got much better. Artificial intelligence and humans are the most potent when they cooperate. So, what's the takeaway? It's not tech versus humans, it's humans and technologies working hand in hand.